This is a CTE advisory committee meeting. Basically what it is, we bring the community members in, a lot of good folks that have an interest in what's happening at McAllen ISD. And so the group is here to look at our programs and kind of evaluate what we're doing and tell us all the good things that we're doing, but also tell us where we can grow, how we can make it better.
Anybody can go to class, but it's those students that are really focused and engaged and not afraid of failing are the ones that are going to ultimately succeed. And that's really what's important. And I think to be able to see that in person is really educational for us, because the feedback that we can give back to them is like, these students understand that education is about failing also, and if you fail, you eventually will succeed if you keep on trying. Partnerships with industry and institutions of higher ed are extremely important for school districts. I mean, it's important for school districts to have information that is relevant, but it's also timely. And I think it's important to keep having these engaging meetings with business partners, with industry partners, with organizations from the community who have a vested interest in education, whether it's higher education, K through 12. The communication is key. Communication is key all the way around, but constant communication is even better. If you have that continuous, consistent communication between all partners, it provides all stakeholders an opportunity to learn and relearn what's going on in industry, but what the changes are in industry also, so that they can adapt accordingly.
I think it's a great opportunity. This meeting is a great opportunity for our community to come together with the school district and look at exactly what's happening and how we can help build tomorrow's future, right? And so on our side, we always look for two things, right? We're trying to accomplish two things: get them college ready, career ready, and military ready. That's what we're trying to do.